to me they're alive, and they had no right to do what they did. That was just totally wrong.
I think one of the things that I like about the parrots is that in the wintertime, especially when it's snowing, and you see these little bright green things in the snow playing, and they can withstand temperatures 30 degrees below zero, and they can withstand really hot temperatures. And I don't know why they chose Yacolt, but they've wakened up this town. This town has become famous. I mean, there's people who've never heard of Yacolt. It's not even on the map sometimes.
My name's Nanette, and I'm 8, and my last name's Cashmere. And what I really liked about the parrots is they're sweet and they're kind, and they always, now pretty much it's probably going to be a lot of pigeons, and they're not really good, and the parrots always used to keep them away.